Like I said earlier, you make a video and you lie, I'm going to talk about it. Y'all watch this quick clip.
Can you remove a mortgage late payment off a credit report? And the short answer is yes. This is a screenshot from my client's Credit Karma he just sent me. And look at that, 120-day mortgage late past due removed.
All right, now the average consumer may think that the late payment was deleted, but it will tell you the payment history changed, for one, and for two, if you look at it, it says Remark code removed. So anytime you or a credit repair company disputes something on Credit Karma, they will add a Remark code. Once it's over with, they remove the Remark code. They did not delete anything. They did not update no payment history. None of that. Y'all, please, please, please understand that every time this scammer, yes, I'm still calling him a scammer, lies to y'all and I see it, I'm going to make a video about it and I'm going to point it out because you all deserve to know the truth about how this actually works. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I hope y'all have a great night.